Morning, good morning.
So 1 second, so I'll be back.
No problem.
Do you want to control storing data in Excel just like this? To running looking dashboards in
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can do it easily.
Yes, sir.
I think the
You don't have
previously we might have gone with some concepts related to geometry, that is straight lines.
to.
But this time we are going some deeper level, higher level to that concepts. That's why I choose some from various books and also from SAT, uh, SAT level books.
Yes. The inclination of the straight line passing through the point -3, 6 and the midpoint of the line joining the points 4, -5 and -2, 9 is.
Right. Inclination. Inclination is nothing but the angle made by a line with x-axis in positive direction.
Yes.
Here you must understand what is positive direction.
Yes.
There are two directions to measure angle. For example, this is angle AOB. If we measure angle in this direction, it is set angle AOB.
Yes.
It is called anti-clockwise.
Yes.
Anti-clockwise, right?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is called positive direction. Measuring angle positive, it is positive direction. If we think about angle BOA,
Yes.
it is negative direction. Same angle same. If we measure in that direction, if we measure an angle in this direction, it is called negative direction.
Yes.
So it is to be understood that angle should be measured in anti-clockwise. Then only it
Yes,
is
sir.
called positive direction.
Positive direction. Yes.
Now, what is inclination? Inclination means in the graph, it is x-axis, it is y-axis.
Yes.
If a straight line is making some angle with x-axis,
Yes.
the angle made by this line with x-axis in positive direction, that means the angle should be measured in this direction.
Yes, sir.
This is called inclination. This is called
Yes.
inclination.
Yes, sir.
What is the relation between inclination and slope? There is a relation between inclination and slope. If inclination is theta, then slope is equal to tan theta.
Yes, sir.
Tan value of the inclination is equal to slope. If
Yes, sir.
inclination is equal to theta, then slope is equal to tan theta.
Tan theta.
Right? In
Yes,
this
sir.
question, the inclination of a straight line, inclination is asked. That means theta is asked.
Yes, sir.
That line is passing through the points minus 3, 6, and the midpoint of the line joining is,
4, -4 and -2, 9.
that means this is a point, minus 3, 6 is a point. This is minus 3, 6. There is a line passing through this point, and passing through the another point. That point
Yes.
is midpoint of 4, -5 and -2, 9. See,
Yes.
it is 4, -5. Another point is
-2,
minus 2, 9.
9.
It is minus 2, 9. Their midpoint is like this. It is their midpoint.
Yes, sir.
It is midpoint. What is midpoint of 4, -5 and -2, 9?
-2,
No,
negative
midpoint
4/2.
formula. Do you remember midpoint formula is
x1 plus
x1
x2
plus
by 2.
x2 by 2.
Okay, yeah. y1 plus y2 by 2.
Yes, it is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2.
So it's 2,
Yes.
so 2, 4. Sorry.
No, 2, 2.
No. So 1, no, sir. 1, 2.
Sorry. You are right. 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now,
Yes.
the required line is passing through the point -3, 6 and 1, 2. This is the required line.
Yes.
We need to find
Yes.
the inclination of this line. Inclination of this line is asked. Inclination of this line is asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Inclination means theta is asked. If we find slope, then we can find inclination easily. Find slope of the line. This line, slope formula.
Oh,
Where-
2 minus 6 by
Yes.
1 plus 3.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus
So
x1.
-4 by
Yes. Go ahead.
-4 by 4. Negative 1.
Minus 4 by negative 4 by negative 2. Sorry, positive 4.
Positive 4, sir. Yeah, -1 is the slopes.
Yes. 1 minus of -3. That is positive 4, right?
Yes.
Now, negative 4 by 4 is negative 1.
Yes, sir.
Equal to negative 1.
Yes.
Can you tell theta? Options are there. Pi by 4. You know what is tan pi by 4?
Tan pi by 4, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Tan pi by 4.
180 by 4.
Yeah, 180 by 4. What is
45.
180 by 4? 45, right?
1, sir. Tan pi by
Tan
4
pi by
is 1.
4 is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Tan pi by 2,
Oh. Pi by 2, 90. Undefined, sir.
Undefined, right? Tan 3 pi by 4. Pi by
3
4,
times
pi by 4
180.
is, yeah, see, pi by 4 is 45 degrees.
Yeah.
3 pi by 4 means 3 times 45 degrees. Pi
45
by,
times 3. 135 degrees.
very
No.
good. 135 degrees. Do you remember tan 135 degrees?
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Hmm.
Tan
Plus
135
pi.
degrees is negative 1,
Yeah.
right?
Because the other one
Tan
is
pi,
180.
yeah, tan 180 degrees. What is tan 180 degrees?
I don't know, sir.
Tan 180.
1 by 2, sir. Something.
0, 0, 0.
Oh, 0.
I will
Okay.
teach you how to find these values. It's very important. I could see some in SAT question paper also.
Yes.
Of course, it is a must. It is very essential to learn them. Yeah.
Yes.
Meanwhile, I am giving its values. See, which option is correct?
Option 3, sir.
Yes. Let me tell you slowly. You will learn those values slowly. X. This is first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Means 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Second quadrant means 90 degrees to 180 degrees. This is second quadrant.
Yes.
Third quadrant 180 degrees to 270 degrees. It is third quadrant.
Sir.
From 270 degrees to 360 degrees. It is fourth quadrant. Now let us know how to use 180 degrees and 360 degrees. First, see, in the first quadrants, all trigonometric functions are positive.
Yes, sir.
There is one shortcut saying that is all silver teacups. It is very famous statement, very famous line.
All silver.
All silver teacups.
Oh, in the first quadrant, all the
Positive.
signs are
All the
positive.
trigonometric functions positive.
Sec-
Second quadrant,
yeah, in the
yes,
second one, sine theta is positive.
and also it's reciprocal. That means cosec theta, sin theta,
Cosec.
and cosec theta.
Yes, yeah.
You know, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta.
So 1 by sine theta. Yes, sir. It's hypotenuse
Cosec
over
theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. And sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta.
1
Reciprocal
by
of
cos
cos
theta.
theta is sec theta.
Cot theta equals 1 by tan
Very
theta.
good. Cot theta is equal to
1 by tan
tan.
theta.
Right. In second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta are positive.
Third quadrant, tangent and
Yes, yes,
cotangent are
yes.
positive.
Tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta.
Cot theta.
Cot, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining are negative. In
Yes,
fourth
sir.
quadrant,
Cos,
cos
cos theta and secant theta.
theta, right. Cos theta and sec theta are positive.
Yes, sir.
Remaining are negative. Some say another statement, all students take coffee. Something like that. All students take care, whatever. But the most famous statement is all silver teacups. Yeah, there is if you go deep in this concept, there are some mathematical reasons. We will discuss them also, right? First, let us learn how to use 180 degrees and 360 degrees and find the values more than 190 degrees. As we know all the values up to 90 degrees. For example, we know what is tan 0 degrees. Do you remember tan 0 degrees?
Tan 0
Tan 0 degrees
degrees.
0.
Oh,
Tan
yes,
30
sir.
degrees
Tan 30 degrees.
1 by root 3.
1 by root.
Tan 45 degrees
1, sir.
1. Tan 60 degrees
Root 3
root 3. Tan 90 degrees,
undefined.
yes, undefined. Yeah, basing on the base of these values, we can find any value up to 360 degrees. For example, we want to find the value of tan 120 degrees. Right? Please tell in which quadrant the angle 120 degrees falls or belongs to. From
Second
0
one,
to
sir.
90 degree first quadrant, 90 degree to 100 degree second quadrant, right?
Yes, second quadrant.
Clearly 120 degrees belongs to second quadrant, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now 180 degrees is nearer to 180 degrees or 360 degrees. Sorry, 120 degrees nearer to 180 degrees or 360 degrees.
So 180 degrees.
Yes. So how to write 120 degrees using 180 degrees?
Negative
180 minus something or 180 plus something?
minus
Minus how much?
120.
120. Yeah, we want 120.
Oh, minus 60?
Yes, very good. Right? Now,
Yeah.
since 120 degrees belongs to second quadrant, 120 degrees belongs to second quadrant, in which
Yeah.
tan is negative, you know?
Yes, sir.
Here tan is negative. What are positive? Which are positive?
Sin theta and cosec
Are
theta.
positive, but it is tan, so it is negative. So write negative minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Now just write tan 60 degrees. Don't consider this negative.
Yes.
Actually, 180 degrees minus degrees is used to locate, to identify the quadrant only. To identify the
Yes.
quadrant, we use this concept, we use this calculation. So finally, its answer is minus that minus tan 60. Minus tan 60 is minus root 3. We know tan 60 root 3.
Tan 60
Tan
root
60
3.
root 3.
I don't know, sir.
Tan 60. See here. I'm showing the tan 60 degrees. Here it is tan 60 degrees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tan 60 degrees is root 3. So
Yes.
tan 120 degrees minus root 3. The reason is 120 degrees belongs to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yeah. You can understand slowly. Now please answer. What is
Oh,
tan?
yes, sir. I understood. Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to find the value of tan
Tan
240 degrees.
240 degrees.
How to write 240 degrees using 180 degrees or 360 degrees?
360.
240 degrees
No.
is near to
Wait.
180 or 360?
180.
Yeah,
180
so 180 degrees plus.
Sorry. 1 second. 240 minus 180. Oh, yes, sir. 180 degrees.
Plus
60 degrees.
60 degrees, very good. This 240 degrees belongs to which quadrant?
Third quadrant, sir.
Third quadrant. In which tan theta is positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
So we should not write this negative.
Yes.
This negative should not be written. In the
Yes,
previous
sir.
calculation, negative is written because 120 degrees belongs to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
In this case, this 240 degrees belongs to third quadrant,
Yes.
in which tan is positive.
Yes, sir. So it will be tan
Yeah, tan
240.
60 degrees only. Just tan 60 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Don't
That's root 3?
don't think that since there is plus we use plus, since there is minus we use minus. It's not the reason.
Yes, sir. Got it.
We use plus here because it belongs to third quadrant. That's it only.
Yes.
Tell what is tan 60 degrees?
Root 3, sir.
Very good. That's why tan 240 degrees is equal to.
Root 3, sir.
Now, please tell what is the value of tan 330 degrees? How to write tan of?
Tan of 360 minus 30.
Very good. Tan of 360 degrees minus 30 degrees.
Yeah, sir. So
What
it
is
will
this one?
be a negative tan 30
Very good.
degrees.
Very good. That's right. Do you think that since there is negative, we are using a negative?
No, sir. We're
Because
using it because it crosses
yeah,
270 where cos and
yeah, it is
sec and theta are
it
positive.
lies between 270 degrees and 360 degrees, which is fourth quadrant,
Yeah.
in which
Yes.
tan is negative. So it is
Yes.
minus tan 30 degrees.
Yes, sir.
It is equal to minus 1 by root 3.
Yes.
Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now, in this question, in the previous question, we used this concept, tan 135 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Please tell how to write tan 135 degrees.
Tan 135 degrees.
Yeah,
Yes.
tan of
Tan of 180 minus
degrees, 180 degrees minus.
1 second, sir. 45.
Very good.
Wait.
Tan of 180 degrees minus 45 degrees.
Negative tan of
Yeah, go ahead.
45 degrees.
Very good.
That's
Tan
negative
45
1.
degrees, 1.
1, sir.
So its value
Negative
135.
negative 1.
That's why we used tan 135 degrees is equal to negative 1.
Yes, sir.
Please tell what is tan 225 degrees? It is not possible to by heart all. We can by heart all the values from 0 to 90 degrees only because so many are there. 120, 135, 150, 180, 210, 240, 225, 270, 300, 330, 315. So many. So it is not possible to by heart them. That's why we just left how to calculate them.
Yes, sir.
What is tan 225 degrees?
Tan 225 degrees,
Yes.
sir.
Tan of
Tan of 3. Sorry, 27.
we use
Can
these
you?
we use
Oh,
these
yes,
values.
sir. Can we use 360 or
Of
180?
course, 360 is farer.
Yes, sir. We use 180 plus
Yes, 180 plus, right?
225 minus 180 is 45, sir.
Very good. 180 plus 45 degrees.
Yeah, so 225. So
Yes.
negative tan 45,
See, 225 degrees belongs to which quadrant?
225. Tan 45.
Tan 45 degrees.
That equals 1.
1. Next. Tan 210 degrees. Tan 210 degrees.
180 plus 30.
180 degrees plus.
30.
Very good.
Tan 30 degrees
Very good.
equals 1 by root 3.
So tan 210 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
What is tan 150 degrees?
150. 1 second. 180 minus 30.
180 minus 30. Very good. Which quadrant?
That's negative tan 30 degrees.
Very good. Negative tan 30 degrees.
That equals negative 1 by root 3.
Negative 1 by root 3.
Root 3.
Right. Just wait. You are learning very fast this concept. See, x-axis, y-axis. from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, it is first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
See, first quadrant can be represented by either this or this. Both are correct. Some authors
Yes.
use Q1 to denote, to represent first quadrant. Some authors
Yes.
use this Roman one, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. In some books you may see Q1, in some books you may see Roman one. Both are same.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
it is first quadrant, quadrant 1. 190 degrees to 180 degrees, it is quadrant 2.
Yes, sir.
180 degrees to 270 degrees, it is quadrant 3.
Quadrant 3.
270 degrees to 3 degrees, it is quadrant 4.
Yes.
Yeah, we are using 180 degrees and 360 degrees only.
Yes, sir.
Of course, we can use the remaining values. See, it is 180 degrees and it is 360 degrees. Of course, we can
Yes,
use
sir.
90 degrees and 270 degrees also.
Yes.
I will teach you how to use them later. First, let us
Yes.
use 180 degrees and 360 degrees, right?
Yes.
Now, see, 180 degrees, theta is acute angle. Theta is an acute angle. You know what is acute angle?
Acute angle, sir,
Acute
between
angle is,
0 and 90 degrees?
yes, an angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees is called acute angle. Theta is
Yes.
acute angle. Theta is acute angle.
Yes, sir.
First, let us use 180 degrees minus theta. There are a formula for them. As we know, all silver teacups one 180 degrees minus theta. For example, take theta 180 degrees minus theta. For example, take any value for theta, say some value 10 degrees or 20 degrees or whatever we can take in the place of theta. Theta is acute, lies between 0 and 90. Say one
30
example,
degrees.
30 degrees. 180 degrees minus 30 degrees belongs to, that is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees is 150 degrees.
Second
Second quadrant.
quadrant.
180 degrees minus theta belongs to second quadrant.
Yes.
Belongs to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us start. Sine of 180 degrees minus theta. In second quadrant, sine is positive or negative.
Positive, sir.
That's why just write sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Since it is positive, it is plus sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Now tell what is cos of 180 degrees minus theta. Negative, yeah, very good. Negative cos theta.
Negative
Minus cos theta.
cos. Yes, sir.
Because it belongs to second quadrant in which cos is negative.
Yes, sir.
Once again, I am telling you, don't use this minus. We write minus here, not because of this is minus, right? This
Yes,
minus
sir.
is used to locate, to identify the quadrant only. We identify quadrant by using this calculation 180 degrees minus theta or 180 degrees plus theta. Okay, so don't think that this minus is repeated here. If so,
Yes, sir.
here it is minus, but it is plus. So positive and negative, okay, it is not depending upon this symbol, this sign, right?
Yes, sir.
This sign is used to identify quadrant. Okay, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is tan of 180 degrees minus theta?
Negative tan theta.
Very good. Negative tan theta. What is tan cosec? Cosec and sine both are equal. Cosec 180 degrees minus theta. Since sine 180 degrees minus theta, sine theta.
Cosec theta,
Very,
sir.
very good. It is cosec theta. Cosec theta. What about sec of 180 degrees minus theta?
Negative sec theta.
Very good. Negative sec theta. What is cot of 180 degrees minus theta?
Negative cot theta. Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, tell
You
me.
know how we write the formula for cosec theta as 1 by sin theta, no, sir. So
Yes,
if we write 1 by sin theta, then the sign should reverse, no, sir.
yes,
So
yes.
so let's say it's cos theta is negative cos theta. So secant theta should be secant theta, no, sir. It won't be negative secant theta, no, sir.
Sorry, you're right.
Because
It's by mistake, right? See. Cos theta is negative cos theta. So sec theta also negative sec theta.
But it in the formula we write 1 by cos theta, no, sir.
Yeah. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, right? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta.
Yeah, so if we have negative in cos theta, so it should be positive in secant theta, no,
Yeah.
sir.
Do you think that reciprocal, whenever we do reciprocals, will it change the sign? Just see.
No.
Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. That's it.
Oh,
Reciprocal of minus 4, negative 4 is 1 by negative 4 only.
1 by negative 4. Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, in writing reciprocals, signs don't change.
Don't change. Yes, sir. Got it.
Do you remember all the trigonometric functions, all the trigonometric values right from 0 to 90 degrees?
Not completely sure, sir, but yeah.
Yeah, right. For example, let us take sine.
Yes.
Do you remember sine 30 degrees? Just sine 0 degrees? Sine 0
Zero, sir?
degrees. Sine 30 degrees?
1 by
1
root
over 2.
2.
Yes. Sine 44 degrees?
1 by root 2, sir.
1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees?
Root 3, sir.
Root 3 over 2. Sine 90 degrees?
1, sir.
Now, let us calculate. What is sine 120 degrees? Sine,
180 minus 60.
yes, it is 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. There are 6 formulae. In those 6 formulae, which formula is used here?
The first one, sir.
6 formulas there. Which formula is used? First formula, right?
First formula. Yeah.
It is said sine of 180 degrees minus theta is sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Sine of 180 degrees minus theta is sine theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So sine of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is,
Sine 60 degrees.
what's the value of sine 60 degrees?
Root 3 over 2. Sir.
Yes, that's why. That's why sine 120 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Now tell what is sine 300 degrees?
360 minus sine 360 minus 60.
Okay. Just we are using this value only. Yeah, we have formula for 1 degrees minus theta only. Yeah, please tell. What is sine 135 degrees?
135, sir.
Yeah,
180
sine
minus
135 degrees.
45. Sine 135 is 180
180 degrees minus
45.
45, right?
Yes.
Which formula?
Option formula 1.
Formula 1, very good. You know Formula 1 is a sports game?
Oh, yes, sir. F1. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Sine of 180 degrees minus 45?
Sine 45 degrees.
Yes, sine 45 degrees. Its answer?
Sine 45, 1 by root 2.
So sine 135 degrees is 1 by root.
1 by root.
Please calculate what's the value of sine 150 degrees.
150, sir.
Yes,
180 minus
degrees.
180 minus 30, so it will be
Yeah.
sine
Okay,
sine 30 degrees. 1 by 2, sir.
very good. Now, I'm giving cos 0 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 45 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cos 90 degrees. You know, all the values are reverse only.
Yes, sir. For cos,
Yeah, for cos, write these values reverse. That means it is 0, 1 by 2,
cos.
2 root 3 by 2, 1. Now write them
Yes,
reverse.
sir.
1,
Yes, sir.
1,
1 root 3 by 2,
yes,
1 by 2, 1 by root 2,
very good.
1 by 2, and 0, sir.
Right.
And
Now,
for tan, it's division of
yeah,
numerators
division
and
of, yeah, numerator by denominator. Very good. You remember perfectly. See, have you ever heard of Harry Lawrence in America? I think
um,
he's from New York. I think now that sir is now no more, but he's famous for his memory power. His profession
oh,
is profession is showing his memory only.
oh,
Yeah, he can remember 5,000 names of different countries, persons at a time, at once,
it is once.
just by
Yes,
listening
sir.
once only.
Wow.
Yeah, 5,000 names. One from our state, Bose, I think. Jesse Bose attended his show, and he was
Yes,
surprised in that program. 5,000 audience are there. The person asked all the 5,000 names. Among them, Chinese are there, Japanese are there. Those names are very difficult to remember.
very
Chinese
difficult
names,
to remember.
Japanese names.
Yeah.
Even though he asked just once all the 5,000 names, and it is a big show, and he remembered all
Yes,
their names. And
yes.
that person asked the audience to shuffle their places.
Oh,
Yeah, even after then, he um, remembered all those names. If someone says surnames, he remembered that name also, first name or second name. Yeah,
yes, sir.
he is the person having highest memory power on the earth. Harry
Yes.
Lawrence, you can check, you can search his name in YouTube and Google also. Harry Lawrence, I read uh, many books written by him. Yes,
Yes.
his techniques are helped me were, to create records in pi value. Once I
Yes.
show you about my rank in pi.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I used his techniques. Link system and peg system, very famous.
Yes.
And nowadays it has been become profession for some persons to show his memory power.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, you can. I will teach you how to use his techniques. Meanwhile, at your free time, you may sit for his videos in YouTube.
Video.
Harry Lawrence,
Yes.
and he can read so many magazines and newspapers at a time in that show. We may bring some newspapers along with us. We may
Yes.
give them to him, and within, yeah, just with a single glance, he can remember all that page with that's called photographic memory. And
Yes,
we may
sir.
ask him what is there in the third page and fourth column or something in this newspaper. He can recite it. Yeah, it's
Wow. Yes.
wonder. And he says, he said, uh, anyone can get that powerful memory by practicing.
Yes.
Yeah. See, what is cos 60 degrees? Sorry, 120 degrees. Calculate cos 120 degrees. Cos 120
180
degrees.
cos 180 minus 6.
Yeah, you can do it on your own and tell the answer. What is cos 180 degrees? Sorry, 120
Minus.
degrees.
So
Cos
minus 1 by 2.
minus,
1 by 2.
very good, it's correct. Cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. What is cos 150 degrees?
Cos 150. Negative root 3 by 2, sir.
Very good. Cos 135 degrees.
135. Negative 1 by root 2, sir.
Very good. What is cos 180 degrees? You can write that
180
cos 180 degrees like this.
So,
Cos 180
it will be
see,
180 minus 180 0, no, sir.
yeah,
So it
cos
will be
180 degrees.
negative 1, sir. Negative 1.
Yes, negative 1. Very good. Cos 180 degrees is negative 1. minus cos 0, that is minus 1. So cos 180 degrees is negative 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm writing the next 6 also. Practice for tomorrow. We will discuss the angles in that quadrant. See, if we
Yes.
exceed 180 degrees, 180 degrees plus theta belongs to which quadrant?
180
Degrees
plus
plus
theta
belongs to
belongs
which quadrant?
to third quadrant, sir.
Yeah, third quadrant. In which tan and quarter positive,
Yes, sir.
remaining are negative. Tell.
Yes.
Yeah, what is sine of 180 degrees plus theta? Sine of 180 degrees minus theta is sine.
Sin theta?
It is
Negative sin theta.
very good. It is negative sine theta. What is cos of 180 degrees plus theta?
Negative theta?
Negative cos theta. Very good.
Negative cos theta.
Negative cos theta. What is tan of 180 degrees plus theta?
Tan theta.
Very good. Tan theta. What is tan of, sorry, cosec of 180 degrees plus theta?
Negative sin theta. Sorry, negative cos theta.
Negative, same. Cosec.
Cos theta. Sorry, cosec.
No cot. See, sin, cos, tan, cosec. Negative cosec theta
Yes,
only.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is sec of 180 degrees plus theta?
Negative sec theta, sir.
Yes, negative sec theta. What is cot of 180 degrees plus theta?
Oh, cos theta, sir.
Very good. I am asking you, what is cos 240 degrees? Which formula is used? Cos 240 means cos of 180 degrees plus 60 degrees.
180 plus 60.
Plus how much?
60, sir.
Cos of 180 plus 60. Which formula?
Negative.
Second column?
Sir, is the answer negative 1/2?
Yeah, minus cos 60 degrees is equal to negative 1 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is sine 210 degrees? Calculate on your own. What is sine of 100 degrees?
120, sir, or
Yes,
210?
210. Yes, sorry, 210 degrees. Sine 210
210.
degrees.
30.
What is sine 210 degrees?
180. Yes, sir. 180 plus 30. 1/2. So negative 1/2?
Very good. What is tan 225 degrees?
225. So tan 45. 1, sir.
Very good. Cot 240 degrees. Cot 240 degrees.
Isn't what? Cot 240. See, that's root 3, but no. How much is tan 60, sir? What? Root 3? Yeah.
Cot
Root 3, sir.
cot 240. Cot 240 means 180 plus 60. Did you calculate correctly? Cot 240 asked.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, I didn't write cot. Tell tan 240. Tell 240. Tan 240.
240 is, yeah, sir. Root 3, no, sir.
Yes, tan 240 root 3 only. Very good. Very good. Yeah, I suggest you that you should revise this class again. Whenever you have free time, just go to it. Go to this
Yes,
class
sir.
and watch the,
Yes.
especially these two concepts, right? Slowly you will get grip over all these values, right?
Yes, sir.
See, Yeah, the angle between the lines. I'm telling you a formula, special formula to find the angle between two lines. The acute angle between any two lines is tan theta is equal modulus of m1 minus m2
Yes.
by 1 plus m1 m2. It is user formula to find the angle between two lines.
Yes, sir.
What are m1 and m2 here? m1 is slope of first line, m2 is slope of second line.
Slope of second
m1
line.
is
Yes,
slope
sir.
of first line, m2 is slope of second line. And
Yes.
how to find the slope when a equation is given? Slope, see, slope has these formula. These are the main formula to find slope. Slope, one formula for slope is
By tan theta.
slope m is, yes, tan theta. That means tan value of inclination. If inclination is known, we can find slope by using m is equal tan theta formula. Another formula for slope, that is equal
Y minus y1 by
yeah,
y2
y2
minus
minus
y1
y1
by
over
x2
x2 minus x1. There is another formula for slope. Slope of
y
ax,
equals
yeah, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is m is equal to negative a by b minus a by b.
yes.
When equation is given in this way, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then its slope is minus a by b.
Yes.
Or if the equation is given in this way, slope of y is equal to mx plus c. If the equation is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, just m. Coefficient of x is called slope of that line when the equation is in this format, y is equal to mx plus c. Then x coefficient is slope. Now tell which formula is used to find the slope of the first line. Is the first line. What is slope of this line?
2x minus y plus 3 equals 0. Sir, option, sorry,
Not
3, sir,
option.
slope of ax, sorry, formula 3,
Yeah.
sir, slope of ax plus b, y
No.
plus
What
c.
should be the formula? Negative a by b.
Yes, sir.
A means x coefficient, b means y coefficient.
Y coefficient, yes.
Yeah, tell.
So it can be 1 over 2, sir.
No, a by b. A is x coefficient. B is y
2,
coefficient.
sir. Negative 2 over
Yeah,
2,
negative
sir, the slope 2.
yes, 2. Yes, see. M1 is equal negative 2 over negative 1 is equal to 2 only. Yeah. For this second line, what is M2? Slope of this line.
Negative 1 over 2, sir.
Negative 1 over 2. Right. Yeah, use this formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2 means
2 plus 1 over 2
yeah, 2 plus 1 over 2
whole by 1 plus
1 plus
1, sir.
2 times of
1 by
negative 1 over 2.
what? Yes,
Not 1 over 2. It is negative 1 over 2. M2, M1 into M2, right?
yes, sir.
M2 is 2.
Yes,
Sorry, M1 is 2. M2 is,
yes. Negative 1 over 2.
that's why it is negative 1 over 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do the calculation. How to do calculation? 2 to get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
What is denominator? 1.
0.
Yes, denominator is 0. Whenever denominator is 0, for any number, for any fraction, for any calculation, for any value, if the denominator is 0, it is undefined.
Yes, sir.
It is undefined.
Yes, sir.
Undefined. Tan theta is equal to undefined. Then theta is equal
90 degrees.
tan theta
90
is equal
degrees.
to 90 degrees. Very good. So theta is equal to 90 degrees. Got it? Option?
Option D.
Yeah.
Option
But
4.
whenever if you Notice, if you notice that M1 into M2 is equal, M1 into M2 is equal to -1. We need
Yes.
not use this formula. Just
Yes, sir.
tell angle between them is equal to 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
In this particular case, M1 times M2 is -1. So it is a standard formula. M1, M2 is equal to -1, then theta is equal to 90 degrees. That's it.
Yes.
Got it? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
We can understand that, we can observe that M1 times M2. What is M1 times M2? Simply M1 times M2. M1 is
M1,
M1 is 2.
M1, 2, yes, sir.
M2 is
-1/2, sir.
2 to cancel. What is its answer?
-1, sir.
That's why we can tell its angle 90 degrees without using this formula.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you one question. What is the angle between the lines? 3x plus 6y, 3x plus 9y, no, 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, and
Yes.
5x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Try to find the angle between the lines 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, 5x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0.
-3/5 is the slope of first line,
Yes.
and
M1 is,
-5
yes, yes.
and 5/3 is the slope of second one.
Okay.
3/5.
First
mi-
find M1 times M2. M1
Yes,
times
sir.
M2. What is M1 times M2?
-3/5 times 5/3.
Yeah,
Sir, -1, sir.
-1. So angle between them is
90 degrees.
how much angle is?
Undefined. Isn't it undefined, sir? Negative.
See,
Sorry, 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
tan 90.
yeah, I'm telling you one more trick. See, these coefficients are exchanged here. 3, 5 and 5, 3.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
And opposite side is, middle side is opposite. Whenever you see two equations like this, you can easily say those two lines are perpendicular, or angle between those two lines are 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving another example, that is 7x minus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 8x plus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. The angle between these two lines is
Tan 90 degrees, sir.
just 90 degrees. These two angles are
Oh, yes.
perpendicular. Sir, these two
Yes.
lines are perpendicular. Okay, I'm giving another example. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0.
Yes,
These two
sir.
lines are also perpendicular. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You can give one example on your own for perpendicular lines.
Oh, 4x plus
4x plus,
7y
very good, plus,
plus 3 equals 0.
right?
7x
Yes,
minus 4y
yeah.
plus 5
What are,
equals 0.
how much?
5, sir.
Right. These two are perpendicular lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you got the clarity of our angle between lines and slope
Yes, sir.
and trigonometric values for various
Yes, sir.
angles which are more than 90 degrees?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I request you to try the sums as homework.
Yes, sir.
Take
I'll
screenshot.
try doing it, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not told.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can easily do it. You can use the knowledge just we have discussed.
Yes. So I'll try doing, sir.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I have.
You can do it easily.
Yes.
You don't know this. I will explain. Yes, you can do it. This also.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We will learn some. Yeah, you can also solve this sum. The inclination is angle. Inclination
Yes.
is given. Then K is asked.
Yes.
Yeah. And we will learn so many things, so many interesting things in the next class.
Yes.
I'll try to start class sharp 4:30. Okay. No. Next class, right? Okay. When please let me know when you wish to have extra class.
Yes.
In advance so that I will prepare slides for it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. In that class, I prepare a sample SAT paper.